and I can see my breath. So right now I'm breathing, but I got no pulse. I just wanted to leave, but my heart ain't beating. I better get back to the back coast, son. Leaving my gun, I don't get about this.
Good day mga boss, good evening. Ito yung Montero nating bagong kuha na nakaraan na swap natin sa Hilux. And ngayon may buyer na siya, so samahan nyo ako, i-deliver natin to and sana magustuhan ni bossing to. Let's go! Tol. Salamat, boss. Bye-bye. So yun na nga guys, nakuha na po yung Montero natin. Sold na po siya. Then thank you kay bossing, sobrang dali kausap. At thank you sa libreng bigas. May pabigas pa si bossing. Thank you very many. Hindi ko na na-videoan yung mga pag-uusap namin kasi ayaw niya magpa-video. So, yun, done deal. Thank you.